MGM 4835 Hospitality and Tourism Law, K1. The standard terms and conditions of a tour package booking contract.
Tour deposit. First, you need to pay deposit as reservation fee. Next, shall not exceed 25% of the tour fare person. Then, free independent traveler is balance due 14 days before departure. Tour group is 21 days before departure. How to amendment and cancellation fit. Once you are confirmed, fit who wants to amend reservations must do so at least 8 working days before departure. No amendment during 8 days. If you need to amendment fee 50 ringgit. Changing the whole reservation is cancellation of the original reservation. Charges are applicable. Cancellation must be in writing. Cancellation charges, 30 days before, min, Rm 50 or 10% of tour deposit, lower, per person. Cancellation 29 days or less, partial forfeit of tour deposit or tour fare. The shorter the notice, the higher amount forfeited. Some tickets are non-endorsable, non-reissuable, non-refundable and others. Amendment and cancellation group tour packages. Changes 14 days before departure. Cancellation must be in writing. Cancellation by travel company. Act of God, war, strike, riot, order from Malaysian government. Known as force majeure clauses limits travel company's liability if there is an event beyond its control. Travel company, TC, should recommend alternative tours. If fit or tour member does not accept alternative tour, all money paid will be refunded. TC can cancel inability to secure seat or accommodation. Must refund money and pay compensation.
Case, Charleston v. Warner, 2000, CLE 4043.
Let's explain to me.
The plaintiff's skiing holiday had to cut short due to extreme bad weather. The plaintiff were evacuated and flown home early. The plaintiff sued the company for breach of contract. The defendant relied on force majeure clause.
The held is the defendant had exercised reasonable care in obtaining weather forecasts for the relevant period. The defendant could not predict the bad weather. Therefore, they were entitled to rely on force majeure clause. The travel company was not liable.
Now, I'm understand about that.
Travel documents. Tour members must ensure they have a valid international passport. He must also obtain necessary visa and vaccination and health certificates as required by other countries. Travel company may assist in handling this matter. Failure to obtain visa. Travel company must refund deposit and money. Travel company will not be liable if members cannot enter countries. Tour information and prices must inform surcharge may be imposed before e-confirmation of the tour. No need to refund for the unused services due to tour members' fault. Next, baggage. Air for travel is the responsibility of tour member to purchase adequate insurance coverage. Possible change of itinerary or tour component must provide alternative arrangement. If the change is necessary, no compensation.
Case, Williams v. Travel Promotions Limited. The fact is the defendant changed the plaintiff from his chosen hotel to another hotel on the day before departure. The defendant claimed that this was a minor changes and under its term and conditions, it could make minor changes without compensating the plaintiff.
The decision is the defendant's terms and conditions expressly stated that minor changes could be made if they were necessary. Here, the defendant had not proved that it was necessary to change the plaintiff to another hotel. This was therefore a breach of contract and the plaintiff was entitled to compensation.
Right to reject may refuse services to tour member who is likely to endanger the health, safety and comfort of others. Liable to refund the tour price less the amount for services already utilized, administrative and cancellation fees. Responsibility of travel company is deliver what it promises in its brochure, otherwise may be sued for misrepresentation. Misleading statement under S17 Trade Description Act 2011.
Thank you. That's a great information.
Prepared by Nick Nur Adriana Marusa binti Nick Azman Ta S49005, Sidi Samarni binti Ismail S46594, Manaira binti Modnoor S48943, Nursfahir binti Muhammad Ali S46935, and Nurul Amara Zura binti MHD said S46192.